I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Cattle was lower today. Those cash bids were expected to be reduced, and it seems that the physical cash trade was just a bit lackluster. It really was slow. Everyone was waiting for the markets to actually try to trade, and they did drop those bids. Beef exports also fell. Carcass weights were up 6 to 7 pounds from last year. All those things were kind of weighing on the market. We're looking for fundamental news to give the market a little bit of directions because there has been a lot of traders, a lot of non-commercial traders really moved to the sidelines. Some of the speculators are very nervous because of this tariff war, so we're watching that closely. Feeders were also a little bit weak. Meat packers were, really lowering their bid now. There has been some good export demand for the outlook of 2019, so that idea is actually holding up some of the feeders. Like they're still, overall, if you look at the charts, it's still a little bit on the high side, even though we're consolidating and slipping just a little bit. So we have to watch that right now, and I think that that's keeping the market from really having any kind of a free fall. But it's the biggest problem right now is the no-go for the lifting of the ban of the beef ban for China. That really had some promise that it's completely stalled out right now. So it's going to be a while before we can look for that to start to help some of our exports, or at least try to kind of like lighten the load on some of the supplies that we have. Now hogs did firm up, so it's great. This is about the third day off its lows, and believe me, it did need some help. Commercials were reducing some of their short position. I think they're just trying to take some of the profit off the table, and so that gave the market a little bit of a boost, and bargain pork prices really were helping others stepping in, saying, listen, I have to jump on this completely. Now the forecast for the rest of 2018 and 2019 is still pretty much the same, so that isn't weighing too heavy on the prices right now. But selling fatigue also, it finally took the foot off the neck of these futures, because they were just, pounding the futures into the ground. So they're slightly off the bottom right now, but it's very tedious. We have to watch it. There's just, of course, there's technical buying came in, and some hedgers, really said, okay, I've got to do some profit taking here and move something off the table. And of course, it's the end of the week. We're right in the middle of July. We're not sure exactly what's happening, and it seems that we're going to be watching with the White House what they're going to be doing. Hopefully, that we can start to move some of our pork products across the other areas. Everyone's scrambling, trying to find new buyers for what we have here in the U.S. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. Here in Chicago, I'm Virginia McGathey.